High wind warning.
High wind warning in effect from 7 p.m. this evening to 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Thursday. What? West winds 30 to 40 miles per hour with gusts up to 60 miles per hour expected.
Yep, they're upgrading them.
Where? The eastern slopes of the
Oh, Channel 5. Channel 5, Boston. This is Boston. Go, 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 go. Oh, Jesus. I did not mean to hit that. Go, go, go. Yep, Channel 5.
Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Watch for falling debris and currents. Use caution if you must drive.
Yep, that was Boston. They're upgrading. Yep, the offices are upgrading. I just got, ow! God! I just ran into a bucket. Okay. So that was Boston that upgraded.
Monitor the latest forecast and warnings for updates. What?
Oh my goodness.
55 miles per hour with gusts up to 60 miles per hour possible. Where? In Massachusetts.
Yep.
Berkshire County.
They're upgrading. All right, here we go. So that's Boston. So that's Boston right there for you. Yep, Albany. Albany.
35 at Poughkeepsie,
Albany.
54 at New York City, and 30 at Rome. It was cloudy with a temperature.
Oh, this is gonna be a big one. This is a big one. They're all going off. They're all going off. We gotta go. We gotta go. They're all going off. Yep, there goes WXL37 right there.
Where?
And then, yep, WWH33.
A line of showers and isolated thunderstorms.
WF48 or 3.
To 4 hours tonight.
Oh my God.
To 4 hours tonight. These will likely only last for a short window 2 to 4 hours tonight. These winds will be capable of damage, including downed trees, limbs, and power lines. Gusty winds will continue through the early Thursday, but will gradually weaken. Watch for falling debris and currents. Use caution if you must drive. What?
Oh my God. Those headers were long. That was big one. That was a big high wind warning. Yep, high wind warning. We're under it. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Winds will quickly shift to the
Okay. Basically every Albany station went off. Oops. Stay. Okay. Does WF43 go off for... Because that definitely would have gone off if Binghamton toned that. I don't know if Binghamton relays high wind warnings. I know they do winter storm warnings, but okay. So that was Albany that did that. All right, so now Boston and then Albany, and all that's left is Upton and Binghamton. So more than likely channels 4, 5, and potentially 1 if channel 1 actually does go off. I don't know. That was a huge high wind warning though. Holy moly. That was huge. That was a big high wind warning. Because those headers were very long. It's basically like an 11 county watch, or that winter storm warning that I got for like 12 zones or something. But basically, recoms went off. Everybody went off, pretty much. Wow. Version 2. The 261s. 261s and all that. 521. 382. Those 3 over there. Yeah. Wow. That was something.